The niche revolves around DIY solutions, practical life hacks, and budget friendly tips that address common problems. Everyone loves saving money, finding shortcuts, or learning new skills. This niche targets people of all ages. Broad audience appeal, high engagement, diverse monetization streams. Popular formats include DIY home projects, life-changing kitchen hacks, and budget-friendly tech upgrades. You can monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Pick a focus, research topics, create high-quality videos, optimize for SEO, build a community. Channels like 5-Minute Crafts, The Budget Mom, and Simple Living Alaska thrive using practical tips. The niche is vast, with endless possibilities. Many subtopics are still underrepresented. Consistency and quality are key. Some creators reach this milestone within a year. High competition, consistency is critical. Production costs may vary. This strategy focuses on practicality and affordability, solving real-life problems for a loyal audience. With creativity, consistency, and a focus on delivering value, this niche can lead to $50K a month.